Touching lives brings us happiness and fulfillment. This was a sing-song that resonated among executives and members of the Inner Wheel District's 910 Nigeria on the occasion of a free health fair program they held recently at the Sakari Palace in Karo, Abuja. The event was in commemoration of the 100 years of Inner Wheel existence, a global acclaimed organization of charitable women dedicated to service to humanity. The health fair witnessed such free medical services as eye test, gifts of eyeglasses, drugs donation, blood pressure and sugar level checks, cervical screening for cancer in women, among others. In an interview with journalists, District Chairman, Inner Wheel District's 910 Nigeria architect Adenike Bamishaye touched on the essence of the event.
So with these 100 years of existence, we thought of what can we do? Since it's a charity organization, we felt that we should actually take it back to communities where we have maybe less privileged people that requires one help or the other. So the idea better was, let's have like a free medical outreach for people so that they can come that have ailments, probably that couldn't go to the hospital because of one thing or the other, most especially because of lack of funds. So that's the reason why we said, okay, no, let's put together a program, a robust medical outreach program that people can benefit from.
She also used the medium to appeal to well-meaning individuals to join hands with the organization in its philanthropic mission of lessening the burden of indigent persons in the society.
We want the general public, people that have the means to assist the less privileged, please, whoever is next to you is your neighbor, help the next person to you. In Nigeria, we all need help. No matter how rich even Nigeria is, we'll still have those little people that might need one help or the other. Let's reach out to people. We have people in the villages that doesn't have water. We have people that doesn't have light. We have even ordinary health center, or even reaching out. We have a lot of this. So we can only plead to general problem, to people to come and join Inner Wheel to lessen the stress on some of our people.
For past District Chairman, Inner Wheel District 910 Nigeria, Inner Wheel member Funke Ibrahim equally spoke about the choice of the Karo community for the free medical fair.
As part of our social responsibility, the members of this district 910, have put together this medical outreach so that we can reach out, to people who are unable to afford medical services on their own. We approached some friends, family members, colleagues and partners who supported us, in putting money together, including members of the district, putting money together to get all the things that we require for this. And then we're lucky for some of us who have friends or associates who are doctors in medical practitioners in different fields. We approached them, and fortunately they buy into our vision, and they are supporting us. So that is why we have all these people here today.
Chief Adnadu Shayin is the district head, Hakimi of Karo Peshe, whose palace hosted the medical outreach. Here, he spoke about the importance of the event to his community and expressed gratitude to the Inner Wheel Club for the kind gesture.
We are very glad on receiving them because it's a kind gesture that we have been praying to God to have in our community. So we are happy. Yeah, my advice to all Nigerians that is, try to check up your body regular, because you wouldn't know. You will see someone walking on the street thinking that he's healthy, but the next day he fell down and he died. So it is good for us to check our body, to check our health always.
Various sensitization lectures ranging from issues of malaria to cervical cancer prevention were provided by several health professionals for the benefits of the participants that included secondary school students. Chuks Alu, IVM Officer, Malaria Elimination Program, FCT Public Health Department, and Dr. Clement Mary Dennis, Senior Register, Department of Obstetric and Gynecology, Maitama General Hospital, Abuja, were some of the resource persons.
Malaria is a disease of public health importance. It kills more than many other diseases. However, it's been neglected because it is preventable and treatable. It kills more of children and pregnant women. So they are the most vulnerable group. Such that for every 10 hospital attendees, about 6 of them is as a result of malaria. But like I said earlier, it is preventable and it is treatable. So, and some of these measures we can use to treat them is ensuring that our environment is clean, because mosquito breeds in waterlogged areas. And so long as we ensure that we don't keep stagnant water, it can keep the vector away.
So we're here to carry out a medical outreach specifically for the women of reproductive age, to screen them against cervical cancer. Like we all know, cervical cancer is one of the most commonest cancer in sub-Saharan Africa, and one of the commonest cause of death, of a cervical cause of death in sub-Saharan Africa. Why is it so? Because the people are not educated of what cervical cancer is all about, and there is no screening program in our country that can screen these women early, where this cancer can be detected and be treated before it will get to the end stage of killing them. Hence, we came up with the idea of coming to the grassroots to bless the community. That's why we are here to screen them. I am the doctor collecting the sample. In 2 weeks' time, we're going to give them their result, and those that have issues, we are going to immediately treat them, and that will also help them from dying from cancer for those that have abnormalities.
The beneficiaries could not thank members of the humanitarian organizations enough for coming to their aid, especially in the area of medical attention, which many said had been a great challenge.
And my eyes have been disturbing me. I know the glasses are expensive, so I was like going to using the money I'm using for business now to go and run the test. I won't be able to continue the business. So when I heard about it yesterday, I had to rush down to do the eye test. And after the eye test, I've run several tests like cervical cancer, full blood count, that I know that they are very, very expensive. So I'm so grateful that I end up doing it for free. I even got drugs and glasses for free. Thank you so much.
It's really important to me because I've been able to be educated. I was well educated on how to keep yourself clean and hygienic. And I also benefited because I was able to know my status on my eyes. I want to tell Inner Will, thank you for this great thing you are doing for us as students, because most populated people don't know their status, and they are helping us know more about our status.
They have done marvelously okay. I am amazed by giving free medication, free eye medication. In fact, any test at all due to your health status, they can take care of it. They voluntarily come out and do this to help Nigerians, the poor, and those that their hand can get into. So to me, they've tried so much. I so much appreciate what they did.
They really tried for us, and God will protect them. God will provide for them. They are going higher in Jesus' name, because they help poor people. People that don't have the money, they help us a lot. Because if you want to hold money to do all those tests now, I know that it's not small thing that you are going to spend, but then do it for us free of charge. God will bless them. We take them to the next level in Jesus' name.
The joyous occasion of the Centenary celebration turned out to be a time of satisfying reflection and kind wishes for the current leadership, as demonstrated by members of the 7 Inner Will clubs that make up Inner Will District 910 Nigeria.
And we are the Inner Will sisters. We are known as sisters that are ready to shine a light on the faces of the needy. Our slogan is that Inner Will must never die. So we give birth to children that are learning from us. And that's why we have the new generation, younger ones, that we are training so that there will be continuity. District 910 is the head office of Abuja chapter, headed by our able architect Nike, and we have no doubt about her abilities. She brings out new ideas every time, and we, the branch leaders and our members, are ever ready to follow suit.
We call on well-meaning Nigerians to join hands with clubs like ours to help.
Cannot do it all.
Yes, because government cannot do everything. Join charitable organizations like ours to extend healthcare, education, and lots of other basic services to the general public.
We have to say kudos to our sponsors, our supporters. We can't do this alone, definitely. All these doctors are here for free. If we give them anything, it's just to appreciate them.
To the district chairman, she's wonderful, she's awesome.
Districts did a lot, especially today that we clock 100. Medical checks is very important in our lives. So I say kudos to our district chairman for this. Generally on our health issue, it is very important for people to always go for checkups.
As you can see, it has been a very big event. People came out, and everything that we are doing here is free for them, just to show the love that Inawi Club, District 910, is 100 years today.
This is just one of the very many projects that we do for the less privileged people of our communities. The object of Inawi is to impact on the society as a whole.
Because what we are doing today is our centenary, celebration. In order to, touch life, that is our core mandate. We are not government people. We are charity organization. Touching life is our, pride, is our happiness. That is why we are here. If you don't have that mind of touching, you will never be in this club.
Health is wealth, no doubt. If you don't take care of your health, you won't be there to do what you're supposed to do. So if you take care of your health, and if you don't find out what is wrong with you, you cannot take care of your health. And I want to tell you that Inner will sustain this. So come next year, we will take the news to other areas so that people can benefit from this.
The well-attended event was graced by a team of medical doctors, nurses, general health practitioners, representatives of pharmaceutical companies, secondary school students, representatives of traditional institutions, and several others. The Inner Wheel District 910 Nigeria is a non-governmental, non-religious, non-ethnic charitable organization of women which focuses on the improvement of the lives of widows, orphans, indigents, and the less privileged in the society. Pendo TV is wishing the Inner Wheel District 910 Nigeria a most rewarding centenary celebration. Congratulations!